Hey guys, Mike is back with another crazy experiment. As you can see, the mass going on my table. It means I'm running crazy experiment here. So I want to show you the guys how great the Class D amplifiers getting. It's better and better. On just previous the video, I unboxed the Ultra Drive Cadence Audio subwoofer. I watched it all over the place, like I go through the details. If you're interested about this subwoofer, definitely go check on my previous video. I put the links on description for the videos, for everything if you want to purchase all that stuff. Exactly same scenario, Class D small amplifier right here from the Cadence Audio. So I connect this amplifier to AC power adapter. Reason why I'm doing that, I want to show you how the good Class D amplifiers gets efficient, taking little power input and puts a lot of power out. So also I'm running from my phone, connect straight to the amplifier. So the phone is puts only 1.5 volts to maximum 2 volts, but your head unit is gonna put the 3 to 3.5 volts output. So it's gonna be a lot less input also by the wattage and the voltage input. So this is the crazy experiment, I'm telling you guys. The reason why I'm doing that, if you have little older vehicle or you don't want to replace the batteries, or you don't want to replace the alternator, and you're thinking, hey, if I get the amplifier with this big subwoofer, what's gonna happen? If it's gonna dim my headlights, it's not gonna kill my battery, it's gonna, my vehicle is gonna start or not. If you invest good speakers and the amplifiers, you're never gonna have the stock. You can run everything stock and you're never gonna get any problems, right? So let's set the test. So I'm running from the phone, I'm running from the AC adapter to the amplifier. This is tiny amplifier. This is 1000 watts RMS power. So I have a SMD tool dyno test. Reason why I didn't connect this guy, because this is not accurate measurements, but I'm gonna show you how this little tiny amplifier taking a little power and runs 12-inch subwoofer, efficient subwoofer from the Cadence Audio. It's gonna rock and roll this. Let's start. So we're gonna start from 30 hertz power. So I'm running my phone. I'm not running too much. Look, it's 50%. Watch this. And look at the subwoofer. It doesn't make any kind of air noise. Only the air is coming from back. That's the ventilation, right? You see that? And all these is pure bass without any kind of mechanical noise. Look at how it moves, the subwoofer. Look. And nice and quiet. This movement is gonna put up tons of bass on your vehicle if you put it in the box. You see that? It's at about, look, if I put here, that's disaster is going on, right? The test tone is done. So let's run with the 40 hertz test tone. Look at how nice and smooth is subwoofer. It's only $100, guys, and it puts off tons of. This is my fingers is touching, right? And it gets a lot of air from here. This is the intake, and this is the exhaust from the back. And you have a very good circulation on the cone area. You're not gonna put so much power on the open air, but yeah. Oh, this is nice ventilator. And I'm running at the 2 ohm without bridging, without adding the second terminal. This is a 2 ohm terminal subwoofer. So guys, this is tiny monster. You can run the 2 12-inch subwoofer at the 1 ohm and you're gonna get tons of bass. Of course I'm gonna install these guys to the box. These guys I'm gonna give from the SX battery the power, and we're gonna run the next test. But while I'm running this, bad thing I don't have any temperature measurement. I gotta order that. This guy is like cold like ice. It didn't get, it's tiny. This is not warm at all. Like I'm running these, like I'm testing this subwoofer at the 2 ohm, but this subwoofer for this guy is nothing. Yeah, that's crazy. And it's pure bass, no mechanical noise. Only the noise it makes, my finger stays next to exhaust area, because it's made for cool down the, how's it called? To cool down the cones. If I put it on the table, see the guys, that's why I'm telling you the class A and AB amplifier is like is that past. Now it's everything is gonna be class D amplifiers, and that's very efficient, so you're not gonna put tons of power. Only tar amp, they building the amplifier high voltage amplifier, so to get the high power outputs you gotta put high amount of power. If this guy is little smaller, the motorcycle guys like Harley Davidson guys definitely consider this amplifier if you run on your saddlebag some subwoofers. This guy is gonna get really good power. So I think most motorcycle guys gonna order these amplifiers because it's a compact size and you don't need tons of power, because motorcycle alternator is not gonna put a lot of power. Also, you can run the 212-inch on the saddlebag, the smaller, you know, or shallow 12-inch subwoofers, and you're gonna be more than happy. If you have a stock vehicle, you're not gonna run the crazy power, you're gonna do a lot of work. Just get this amplifier and just get the 2 or what single is subwoofer, and you're gonna be more than happy to sound output. This guy is gonna shake your trunk like no tomorrow. So let's run the different test tone. That's crazy movements. That's the 9 hertz, guys. It's not even warm. Look at this. How you like that? Look at this on table. That's a 15 hertz. You're gonna invest a little bit more money for amplifier, and you're gonna save for $100. This subwoofer I think is more than enough to get, you know, decent bass. Amplifiers around like $220 into $200-300 range, but still for the worth the money, because you're gonna get small part. You're not gonna invest for the batteries, alternators, as I said before, just to run nice cables. And also is the inputs. I did the unboxing video, the previous video. Inputs, you don't need like a 2 gauge, a 0 gauge inputs, like 8 gauge cables, more than enough to run to get the 1000 watts RMS power. Alright guys, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it and watch the future videos. Although these amplifiers, these subwoofers with the different subwoofers, I ordered like a lot bigger subwoofer to max him out this guy, because this is overpowered for this guy. I cannot run 100% power from this amplifier. I think it's gonna burn this subwoofer. Alright, check the links, and if you want to order, definitely enjoy your shopping. And I put, if I find any promotion codes, all that stuff, I also add there so you guys gonna enjoy it. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna run a different scenario, different experiment right now.